I bought every Apple product in the Apple Store. Dramatic music, quick shots of iPhones, MacBooks, AirPods, etc. I bought every Apple product in the Apple Store. Some people go shopping for fun. Others go shopping for a challenge. Me? I went shopping for an experiment. One that emptied my wallet faster than a Tesla does 0 to 60. I bought every single Apple product available in the store. You heard me right. I dropped over $23,000 in a single visit to Apple. And what followed was an epic tech binge unlike anything I've ever done before. Why I did it? Let's rewind for a sec. I've always been curious about the Apple ecosystem. They say it just works. The way iPhones talk to MacBooks, AirPods auto switch, Apple Watches track your life down to your heartbeat, and even your keys are findable with AirTags. But I wanted to take that idea to the extreme. What happens when you go all in? What happens when every single piece of tech in your daily life, phone, watch, tablet, speakers, computer, TV, everything is Apple? Walking into the Apple Store. Cinematic walkthrough inside Apple Store. Staff helping out, showcasing product tables. When I told the Apple staff what I was planning to do, they didn't believe me at first. Then came the buzz. 3 team members gathered around. One grabbed an iPad to make a list, another started scanning. It was part tech consultation, part scavenger hunt. We went through every product category: iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple Watch, AirPods, accessories, even things like the Magic Mouse and HomePod. The Apple's unboxing experience is honestly therapeutic. Everything is minimal, smooth, and precise. It feels like opening the future, one lid at a time. Full product breakdown iPhones. iPhone 15. Pro Max, 1 terabyte, titanium finish iPhone 15. Standard 128 gigabytes, still one of Apple's strongest products. Pro Max is a beast, great camera, insane performance, buttery smooth iOS iPads. iPad Pro 12.9 inches, M2. iPad Air, M2. iPad Mini Apple Pencil. Second generation Magic Keyboard iPad Pro with the Magic Keyboard, low-key, a laptop replacement. iPad Mini, perfect for reading or one-handed use Max. MacBook Pro 16 inches M3 Max. MacBook Air, 15 inches M2. Mac Mini M2 Pro. iMac 24 inches M3. Mac Studio Display. MacBook Pro is a powerhouse. Perfect for editing, rendering, even gaming. The iMac looks stunning but is more for casual users. Apple Watch Ultra 2. Apple Watch Series 9. Apple Watch Ultra 2 feels like it could survive a hike through the Sahara. Series 9 is more than enough for 99% of people. Audio, AirPods Pro. Second generation, AirPods Max HomePod. Second generation HomePod Mini. X2. AirPods Pro are still my favorite for everyday use. AirPods Max sound amazing but get heavy. HomePods? Surprisingly awesome for music, TV, and smart home. Apple TV 4K Siri Remote. Apple TV 4K is nice but only essential if you're deep into Apple's content or hate your smart TV interface accessories. Magic Mouse? Ugh. Magic Trackpad. Magic Keyboard? AirTag 4-pack. MagSafe Charger? Thunderbolt cable USB-C adapter. This is where Apple goes full we make everything mode. And yes, the Magic Mouse still charges from the bottom. The setup experience. Here's where Apple really shines. Setup is freakishly smooth. My Apple ID synced across everything. Devices recognized each other instantly. I'd start typing a note on my iPad, and it was on my Mac before I finished. AirPods jumped between my MacBook and iPhone automatically. Even my Apple Watch unlocked my MacBook just by sitting near it. What worked best? Combo setups, ultimate productivity, MacBook Pro, plus iPad Pro, sidecar mode, plus AirPods Pro, home theater vibe, Apple TV 4K plus HomePod stereo pair. No soundbar, no setup hassle. Instant surround sound. Siri even controls the lights on the Go Essentials. iPhone 15 Pro plus Apple Watch Ultra plus AirPods Pro plus AirTag. fitness tracking, music, wallet, navigation, security, all from my wrist and pocket. Creative powerhouse Mac Studio plus Studio Display plus Magic Trackpad. For designers, editors, or creators, this setup is elite. Pricey but powerful. The good, the bad, and the why did I buy that. The good: seamless integration speed and performance across all devices. Gorgeous hardware. Surprisingly useful stuff, AirTag, HomePod Mini. The bad: Magic Mouse, seriously. Apple: AirPods Max comfort over time. Apple TV is redundant for many. Studio Display value isn't great unless you're editing pro-level content. The cost. And was it worth it? The grand total for everything you've seen so far: $23,417.28 before tax. I'm not going to lie, it hurt. But this wasn't about flexing. It was a deep dive into what it's like living inside Apple's walled garden. And honestly, once you're inside, it's pretty damn nice. What I would actually keep my core Apple kit: iPhone 15, Pro Max MacBook Pro, 16-inch AirPods Pro, Apple Watch Ultra iPad Air with Magic Keyboard AirTag 4-pack. Final thoughts. So, should you buy every Apple product? Number: probably not. But should you think about how Apple devices work together before buying your next one? Absolutely. There's real power in the Apple ecosystem, but only if you know how to use it. Thanks for coming on this insane ride with me. If you love this, drop a like, subscribe for more, and tell me, what's your favorite Apple product? And Apple, if you're watching, call me. Let's talk about a sponsorship before I sell my kidneys. Extras, bonus segments. If you want to stretch even more bonus segment ideas, using Apple devices for 24 hours vlog segment, testing Apple Watch Ultra in real-world fitness challenges. What happened after I connected every HomePod in the house? Creating an entire YouTube video using only Apple